Hello guys, today's video is about this name. So first of all, hello for everyone. And I'm gonna talk to you about this word name, 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 name. I'm talking about names, especially proper names. I mean proper name. Proper names means for people. Especially for people like Ali, Alex, and so on. So just today is about name, proper noun, or people's names like Ali, Alex, and. But what about today is just about the abbreviation around and all details about that in name. If you say, for example, name, you may mean the first name or the middle name or the last name. So which name you mean in your name? As a full name, your first name or middle name or last name? What can American people say or British people say the full name? Is it saying the first name is, the middle name is, the last name is? Why I explain that to you today? Because of what we call application form. If you are gonna talk to someone about application form to fill in or just applying for a job or a position, you have to fill this form. So you will find maybe first name, middle name, last name. So, or you will find another. We'll see that today. This is a special video. So let's see. First name, we call first name, or we call it forename, or we call it given name. So if you found in the application form given name means your first name. If you found forename means your first name. If you find first name means the first name. So like someone called, for example, here Ali, Muhammad. So the first name is Ali. So the given name is Ali. So the forename is Ali. So the first name, the forename, the given name. This is in British American style. Good. What about the middle? What we call the middle? We call the middle name or dad's name, father's name. So father's name or dad's name, we call it middle name or the second name. So Ali is a given name or a forename or a first name. Muhammad is the middle name or the dad's name, the father's name, or the second name. So Ali, Muhammad, that's correct. Good. What about the last name? What we call the last name? Last name. We call the last name surname. Surname. Surname or family name. So you can say family name or surname. So if I say Ali Muhammad Ahmad, for example, so Ahmad number 3. So Ali number 1, middle name or dad's name is Muhammad. Last name is or family name is Ahmad. So the last name is Ahmad. The surname is Ahmed. The family name is Ahmed. So you can see in application form for a possession or a job, the word surname. Surname means the family name or the last name or the last name. So family name, surname or last name. Last name. That's perfect. What about word called nickname? What is a nickname? We know now surname, last name. What is nickname? Nickname is the first name, like Ali, but someone changed it to be another name. For example, his name is Ali, but he said, call me Alex. So his real name is not Alex. His real name is Ali, but he said, call me Alex. My name is Medhat. So this is real name, full name, real name for me is Medhat, the first name, the forename, the given name. But I say, for example, call me Midu. So Midu is a nickname. Midu is a nickname, not real name. So nickname is related to the first name, but with some change. And a surname is the last name or a family name without a change. This is first part. What is second part about the name today? Second part about the name today is about the abbreviation. Abbreviation for the name. Before the name, one called Ali, for example, Ali, Omar, Ahmed. So this is the full name, Ali, Omar, Ahmed. So this is surname, family name, last name. This is dad's name, father's name, middle name. This is forename, given name, first name. And the nickname is Alex. Good. But what can I say here? Can I say here Mr. or what? So what we call is about the abbreviation before the name. So we have a name should be a male or female, man or woman, boy or a girl, male or female. So if it is male, what are the abbreviation? If it is female, what is the first abbreviation before the name? Let's go. I have MR full stop. MR uppercase, M, R lowercase, small, and full stop. What is this? This is abbreviation for the word Mr. Mr. So Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali means he, I don't know, I'm not sure, he got married or not. So if you say Mr. Ali, it doesn't mean he got married. No, maybe he's not. So it's just Mr. Ali. Good. So you can say Mr. Ali for someone didn't get married or for someone got married. You say Mr. Ali. Good. And what's after Mr.? Most people think that after Mr. you should put the first name. That's wrong. Here you should put the surname, the family name. So here, not Mr. Ali, you have to say Mr. Ahmed, and you mean Ali. So after Mr., you have to put the last name. My name is Medhat Muhammad Abdurrahman. So what can I say to myself? I say Mr. Abdurrahman. Mr. Abdurrahman. Good. I chose the last name to be with Mr. So this is what to do. How can British and American people do when they pronounce the name Mr. Abdurrahman, not Mr. Medhat, Mr. Abdurrahman. It means the last name with Mr. What is next? Opposite of Mr. you have MS. MS for a female, for a woman. Okay? For a woman. We don't know she got married or she didn't get married. Just a woman. Okay? So, mess. What we call this one, most people say in mess. That's wrong. The pronounce is mez. Z, z, mez, mez. For example, she got married or her last name is Brown. So I say Ms. Brown, not Miss, Ms. Brown. I mean, she has the last name Brown, but not real name for her. Maybe her name is Jane. So don't say Miss Jane, no, Miss Brown, Miss Brown, Miss Brown. So Mr. or Ms. followed by the last name, and we don't know they are getting married or not. Okay, this is first. What else I have here? Also, I have abbreviation MRS. And MRS, or again MISS, is not abbreviation. Here you can say miss, not miss, because this is not abbreviation, it's a complete word. So you say miss, miss, not miss, Miss Brown, and followed by last name. Always, again, last name of the name, Miss, for female, for a woman. Okay, but this woman got married. So if you have a woman got married, you say Miss. Also here, you say Mrs. 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 Not mess, Mrs. For a woman got married. I'm sorry, here didn't get married. This mess did not get married. Did not get married. But here, Mrs. a woman got married. Got married. So if you have a woman got married, you say Mrs. MRS. If you have a woman didn't get married, you say Miss. Miss plus last name for everyone plus last name. Last name. That's it of today. Under the video, under the comment, the description of the video, you'll find a link for exercise PDF about this video. And again, happy Eid. Thank you for all.